Fuck it. Let's open some cards. Had a good day today. Spent a lot of money. Fed my addiction. Some auctions came in. This is Series 1, 92.93. 17 packs, so almost half a box. That'll go with this 35-pack box I bought. Picked up a few Jordans at a place in, well, not a few, one. This is all from Gulf Breeze. Jason Williams, rookie. Kobe Bryant, second year. Kobe Bryant, second year. Get them out of the sleeves, take a look at them. See what I'm dealing with. Couldn't send out an Olympic Jordan out of the 2 boxes I opened, so I'm still trying. Went to Pensacola, picked up a bunch of dollar cards, put a lot back this time. Process these. I didn't have a good one out of that box I opened. It was stuck to something. Clyde Drexler. Barclays. Maybe there's something in here I can send off. I won't send that one off. You never know. That one's close. Check it under a magnifying glass. Can't argue with the prices. That's a rookie. Got a Steve Nash rookie. That might go out. That Iverson I sent out, or the Kobe I sent out, came back as a 9, I believe, 9.5. See how a surface looks on this one, but it looks good. That one looks good. I think I looked at the surface of this one while I was there at the store. This one, this is the second one of these I bought. I screwed the first one up, getting it ready to ship out. I got stuff to do tonight and restock my card stash. Oh, Dory. I'll probably do more than one video tonight. 10 packs of this McDonald's hoop stuff came in to go with the packs I already had. I might do a hoops. Still looking for a Jordan out of here base set to send out. So this is from the place in Gulf Breeze. They were half off. And he quoted me a good price on a box, so I'll probably be back. I'll take a box with me to El Paso. Open with Adrian. But for today, we are doing baseball. See that price? Can't argue with it. Not for chasing Bo Jackson cards. So fuck it. Let's open some cards. There really isn't shit out of this box I'm looking for other than Bo Jackson, maybe Frank Thomas. Well, I'd save a Griffey too if we pull one. 17th December, 1989. Oh, this is what I'm looking at. Brand new sealed box. Should we get some gum out? Let's pull a couple no names out of these 90 tops just to set the mood. Junk. Bobby Bonilla, don't care. Terry Kennedy, Randy Sinclair, John Smiley, Paul Moore, Templeton, Goose Kaza, I don't remember that card. Bill Dorn. Remember Dorn from Major League? Steve Olin, Jeff Parrott, Jesse Barfield. This is the gum all. Yep, the gum fucking up. You ready? You ready? That's some good shit. Fuck yeah. I'll get 2 packs of this. 89 Bowman. Find us a Griffey rookie. Chris Sable, John Smoltz. That's going to be a rookie. Holy shit, Dory. God damn it. Go outside. Brett Saberhagen. Bill Murphy, Kendo. Some dude, Jacoby. Ellis Burks, Paul O'Neill. Nothing in that one. Trash. That gum's already gone. Holy shit. Old Man Griffey's good. Looking good. Any Martinez, Brady. Do I need to read them? I'm not going to read them. Tape Justice rookie. Terry Jorgensen. Don't remember him. Okay, only one more chance for a no name. I don't think I want any more of that gum. It's starting to burn my throat. While I was there, somebody bought a box of this stuff. I don't know what the price was. Get that trash box closer to me. Okay. Making a mess. Don't take a shit, man. I'm gonna hang on to him. Larry Walker. I believe it's a rookie. Probably. Probably not. Probably not, but probably. Do one of these. Juan Gonzalez, you don't really care. All right. I did a box of this. Bought it on eBay. This is cheaper. Buying it in person at 15 bucks without shipping, definitely cheaper. So we got one more 89 Bowman after this. Who is that? On again. Rulo. You guys really can't see shit with the sunlight the way it is. Where's it coming from? Not there. A little better. Tell this is a professional setup. What do we have here? Basher's Blast. Man. Larry Walker. Rookie number 2 on the day. Come on, Griffey. Save the gum. I'm gonna need that later. Holy shit, Mickey Mantle. We got a Mickey. Who is that? George Bell. Boddicker. Michelle. Steinbach. Jim Browning. Matt Noakes. Jimmy Jones. Another Smoltz rookie. Cool. Saberhagen, some dude. Another dude. No Griffies. Checklist. Okay. Anybody want them Mickey Mantle? No? No? Trash. Moving on. Sammy Sosa, that's going to be a rookie. Movon, rookie. Does anybody care about Movon anymore? Let's put him over here. Maybe his rookie is the only card anybody cares about. Sammy Sosa. I feel jammed up. Let's get this box out of the way. I'm still jammed up. I'm stupid. Cedric Guerrero, remember him? South Pit Dragon. Keep up. Comes the rookies. Great Vaughn, man. Not worth sleeping. I bet the Frank Thomas looks like this one. And the rookies are no rookies. Goose Gazzo. I remember that name from the last box we opened. I guess that's good. We got some Bo Jacksons in the last box. And McDonald, is he worth anything anymore? I think I got some of his cards up and they've been up for over 2 months and haven't sold. Steve Olin, Raman Ventura, and there's another one nobody cares about anymore. Maybe his parents still do. Crime Dog. Mark Lemke. He was a good ball player. Rennie Nosek. Overall, what are we looking at centering? Are they all centered, screwed up? The red ones are okay. Blue ones are screwed up. Where's my discard pile? Jeff Jackson. Let's go fat. Rookie, 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 don't care. There's like 9,000 cards in this set. It's insane. Kelly Man, Tom Barrett. Keith Jones, don't care. Jay Buhner. Most days I would, not with this set. Only 2 blue at the back of that one. Busted pack. Haven't decided if I want to post the video I did yesterday, the 92-93 Archives basketball Philly. That was most likely a search box. I did pull one Jordan though. Mobon. We'll hang on to him. Kevin M-M-A-H-A-T. Mott. Don't remember that name. Sandberg in there. Lavin. I can always throw it away later. Ryan Sandberg, I think I still got an auction of his stuff up. Whoever bids high on that one, I'll throw that in there with him. John Olerud. What's going on here? Buy a box, pull 3 bows out of it, I get spoiled. Buy another box, I get 0. So many cards in this set, you could end up with like no doubles in the box and still not finish the set out of a box. Oh, Ripken, we like him. He's one of the good guys. Fisk, we're not going to hold on to that. Don Ace. I might go back through this one more time before I toss them. You know, looking for that black and white card. Maybe I missed it. I saw Ben McDonald. It still feels fat. Don't know about him. We'll check on it later. Marquise Grissom, I think I got an auction with some of his stuff still. Rhino, Halen Ham, Craig Biggio. These rookies, E89. I don't remember. He might have been before 89. Yep, definitely spoiled. Last box I had at least one Frank Thomas, I know that. 3 bows. I'm halfway through this one and I'm busted. And then Larry Walker, split off. Well, Clark, not what we're looking for though. Juan Gonzalez, whatever. Ryan Dubois was that last rookie. Dubois? Stop by and Holt at a restaurant I've never been to. Lights out. Candlestick. This is a cool card. Way off center. Means nothing. Come Glavin. Double check him later. Susan's Restaurant? Susan's Kitchen? Susan's Cafe? Fuck, I don't even know the name of it. Maybe it wasn't even Susan. I think it's Susan. I took a picture of it, sent it to my friend. That's a good catfish. Traditional home cooking. This box sucks. I'm mad at it already. That's a bow. Really ugly. It's not the one we want. Because we're needy. Nothing's ever good enough. Eckersley, Roger Clemens. Yeah, why not? Nolan Ryan, split off. Downs belong. Dion. Not Deion Sanders. A little 60-minute piece on him. He's coaching Jackson State? Coaching that football program. They're doing all right. Historically black college, university. I believe that's where Walter Payton went to school. What's going on here? What is this shit? That's Dave Stewart. Don't know who this is. And I'm not going to find out right now. Come on. Give me one. For 15 bucks, I deserve one. Martin Sandberg, Carlton, Biggio. What did they do with the last one? Check on him. Wait, Boggs. Well, split him off too. Anybody want a piece of Mickey Mantle history? Pause that if you want to read it. Ron Jones, Chris Hammond, don't care. There better be 3 in this last stack. I'm taking this shit back. Tony Grinnell, Hammond, Nolan Ryan. And Ricky Henderson too. Maybe somebody will want it. Oop, I fucked the whole thing up, didn't I? Ah, fuck it. Here we go. Whole bunch of fuck all. Larry Walker rookie. Nolan, Martinez, Mazzilli. Larry Walker. 2 out of that one. Come on, give me a bow. Not even a good rookie. I don't get a bow. This little writing on my hand doesn't even make sense. Wade Boggs will split off. Randy Johnson, I haven't seen him yet. That's a second? Yeah, he's 89. And this lighting is starting to really aggravate me. Listening to my watch rub on the table is also aggravating me. Longbow. Tino, Edgar, that's Tino, that's Tino. I haven't seen Frank Thomas either. Last box spoiled us. Tino Martinez, I really don't care. There he is. How does it look? He's off center. Left, right, top to bottom. Same on the back, off center. That's the big one in the box. That's going to be our hit. We did all that work for that one card. Rickey Henderson, I think I still got some of his stuff on eBay. Grab Holman, Billy Ripken, doesn't matter in this set. 2 packs to go. It's 2 boxes in a row I've opened. They weren't the way they were supposed to be. Well, I guess this is the way they're supposed to be. I've just been on a lucky streak. Olerud, Marquise Grissom, Mike Stanton, man. Last chance. Get your shit together, Score. There is a white card in there. Fuck. Fuck. Finally. And he's got factory lines on him going up and down. He is not perfect. Yeah, I can see it right there. Right in there, where the glare is. That's not going to be worth sending out. Still a cool card. At least we got one. Do we care what's in this? Not a whole lot. Not even much. Last box I kept the stack probably 2.5 times as big. 1 Frank Thomas, 1 Bo. A couple guys I'll keep for name recognition. Maybe I've got something on a couple of Larry Walker rookies. Got something I can throw them on as a bonus because I'm a nice guy. All right, I think I'm gonna clean up and probably get into this basketball stuff over here, some of it. Okay, bye. We didn't do it. We only got one.